today we got this DDJ1000SRT DJ controller. A friend called me up and asked me if I could replace the channel fader on one of these. I've never worked on one before. This is my first time ever seeing a controller in the shop like this. I don't know what it really entailed or what it involved, so I looked at the video and it is pretty intense. It's a pretty intense repair because everything has to come out of the controller, and to get to the the channel fader itself, it's soldered on. The old one has to be desoldered, the new one has to be soldered on. I told him, you know what, let's get it done. I want to try it out and see what I could do. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is take out these channel fader knobs, and they have little clips on them inside, and you gotta use something sharp like a tweezer or maybe even a safety pin. You gotta get underneath from here and just push up, and you see the bracket comes out, and you can take the knob off. Number one, there's also another piece, you need to be careful. These pieces are plastic, so you definitely want to be gentle. You don't want to break them. We're gonna do that for each one. So the issue with this channel fader is it's not the channel fader itself. It's the metal piece that protrudes out. It's broken at the base, so I can move this up and down like this, and it moves. So when he's DJing and he's pushing, it literally goes forward, and it's at an angle. So it's gonna break eventually, because I think the base is plastic. Alright, now we got the channel crossfaders out. We gotta take these knobs off. We gotta take out these, this row, and this. Some of them might be a little hard to take off because they've been on there for a while, but they should just pop off with your fingers. Whatever you use plastic. You don't want to use any metal on this board itself, scratch it up or damage the plastic. All the knobs are taken off. Now we can start working on taking everything out of it. We're gonna flip this over. Alright, this cover should come off, like so. Here we go. What I like to do is take pictures of at least all the cables and how it was originally. So when I go back, we're gonna first take this metal shroud off. Go ahead and do that. These screws are different too. So we got same. One silver, one different here. One silver, one different here. It's definitely something to be aware about. Alright, so the metal shroud comes off. So the next thing is taking all these ribbon cables out. There are clips on each one. You don't want to break them. I would say use a plastic spudger to release the clip. Why I put emphasis on that, you don't want to break these clips, because if they do break, it's going to be almost impossible to fix it in the time of. It's kind of like a one-time thing, so you got to be really careful when you take these ribbon cables out. Some of them are push-out clips. So like this one, you could just this one you could just use your nail. It releases, like you push this clip on the two sides out, you pull it towards you, and the cable comes out. This one's a push-up clip. It's like a latch, like that. Alright, this comes out as one piece along with these two subboards. We're gonna take this out. We're gonna take this out. So cables here. There we go. Alright. Let's just come out. What's that? This is free. Gotta put this away, put it in a safe spot. Crossfader, look at the crossfader. All this has to come out. All of these has to come out. Crossfader has to come out. Alright, we're gonna remove the crossfader first. Apparently these got you can calibrate these if you gotta replace one. I wanna learn how to do that next. And they go out often as well, or out of calibration. This is the phone jack. Headphone jack, we're gonna take this out too. Alright, let's see. Alright. I'm gonna have to take this out, because there's a cable here that's attached on the underside, and it has to be released, but I can't release it without really seeing it. So maybe I'll do this first. I'll do that first. Let's see. The grounding screw there. Make sure this goes back exactly where it came out of. I'm gonna put a G right there. Oh, this comes out. Alright, this comes out. Then there's more screws. One cable here, we're gonna take this out. Alright, this is the cable that's gonna be a little more issue. Rock it back and forth. Oh god, there's one more. That just comes along. That comes along with it. This is a little LCD display. That went right here. So what I'll do is, I'm gonna put this right here. And put this back in. This is the cable that was the most hardest to take out right here. It's a pull cable. There's no tab, no latch or anything like that, and it attaches right underneath here. When we put it back, I don't think I have to take this out. There's a knob on the other side of this, on the front, that wasn't coming out, and I really don't want to break it. That's what's holding this in, otherwise I would have took it out. So I really don't want to put everything back together. I'm gonna try to put this cable back into the subboard here. So let's flip it over. All right, we got a little more work to do. We gotta take these off. This is the channel fader that's broken. You can see, look. It's like moving up and down. These don't do that. So we're gonna take these those screws out. This is the new channel fader. Let's see. Look how the one pin is already bent. Just gotta bend that back. Alright, I already loosened it. Let's see. Now I'm gonna push it up. Push it up like this. Alright, should be good enough. Now we're gonna do the same for this one. Alright, see? Release it. And bend it a little bit. Straight, so when we take it out, it goes straight up. 4 solder joints here, and 2 here. Loose. Alright, now that we desoldered it, we took all the old solder out, this piece should wiggle loose. There is a metal bracket that's holding in the 4 channel faders, so we're going to remove this and then remove the actual fader itself. Let's go back over to the other table. So there's these small Phillips screws, 8 of them, 4 on top here, 4 on top here, and I removed those. This is a nut, so what I did was I loosened these like so, and you would just turn them with your hand. Alright, so this metal plate comes off. These are the actual faders. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one that was causing issues. Now that we've desoldered it, this should just slide out. Like so. These are the pins. This is the new one that's going in. We're going to solder this back to the board, and yeah, let's get to it. Before I go to solder the new piece on, I want to show you guys what a little piece of advice here. These 2 grounding tabs, they're the ones that bend towards the board. When you take it out, they're like tabs almost, right? Once you desolder this, you have to bend it towards the middle so it straightens out so this comes out. Because if you don't, it's not gonna come out. But you gotta be really careful bending these towards the middle. You gotta make sure it's desoldered properly. There's no solder at all, or it won't move. And you gotta bend it slowly upward so it comes out. Just like this. I'm gonna be holding it from the bottom. It's coming right out. I mean, there's no solder holding it in, so it's loose. I'm gonna try to push it in as far as it goes. Make sure it's even, and then apply the solder. Oh, also, these 2 tabs, don't forget, you gotta bend them downward. It even says it, it's pretty crazy. Bend, bend, and it shows an arrow. Add solder, add solder. Now we're gonna add some solder. Let's put some flux on these pins. Flux here, flux here, and these 2 here. Alright. We're done soldering the new one. Now we're going to be cleaning up the flux and the residue that's left over. I like using isopropyl alcohol, 99%, and a soft brush.
You pay for all this stuff now.
Out of it.